So you sharpen your axe, because some people will be saying, no, gifts come from God. Gifts come from God. Sharpening is done by us. When I give you an axe, don't say sharpen it for me. Everybody's got a gift. Everyone. You see, David, I know people always say, he said, in the name of the Lord I come against you. But what dropped that giant was the stone. And it took practice. So we need to be very, very careful about that. Yeah. The question remains, what is your occupation?
Thank you for watching. We hope you have been blessed. For full videos as well as more sermons and teachings from our ministry, visit our Facebook page at Out for Christ Ministries International. Remain blessed.